my name is Kaelani Reyes, and I'll be presenting my math PoL. So first, I'd like to begin with my homework completion chart. As you can see, I fully understood the content that was taught this semester, and I managed my time efficiently. And I also wrote down in my little agenda my homework. The second thing I would like to present is my assessment school chart. As you can see on quiz 1 and test part number 2, I was kind of on it. Quiz number 1, I know for sure that was just a few simple mistakes, but for test part number 2, I generally thought that I understood the content, but I guess, I don't know. In my improvement, basically how I maintained an A. I asked Ms. Casillas and my peers questions when I needed help. I asked a lot of questions. I felt like people were starting to get annoyed with me. I did all my required homework, and I reviewed the homework and my notes. And also, I participated in honors because I felt like I needed a challenge in this class. So the essential skill that I will be presenting is essential skill 2, learning target 2.2, and this is about applying the triangle sum theorem and applying the exterior angle theorem as well. So here I got angle number 4 and angle number 5 wrong, because what I didn't really know how to do the problem, so I just did based on like what I knew. So here I just divided 118 divided by 2, which is wrong. But here I didn't realize that this was a supplementary angle, which equals to 180. So I added 65 plus 70, which equals 135, and then I just subtracted that by 180 to get my angle 4, which is 45. And then here I use the exterior angle theorem to subtract 118 from 45 to get 73. And my reflection. I felt that it would be right to show all my quizzes and all my tests to show my improvement and where I was lacking in this semester. So I got kind of perfect scores on these, except for my test 1 part 2. That was my lowest grade. Hi, my name is Kaelani Reyes, and I'm presenting my chemistry PoL, and I'll be doing Unit 1 gases. So here I decided to use my Unit 1 exam as my evidence because I felt that it would show my understanding of this unit. So for learning target 1A, I got this answer wrong because I didn't really understand what it was trying to ask. I didn't really understand the concept of it. But the answer is B, because as you increase in altitude, the air becomes thinner, and in that air, molecules expand to take up the extra space in the bottle. And so in this case, it works vice versa. Because if you're declining the air molecules, then you'll get learning target 1B, I'll be talking about the combined gas law. And basically the combined gas law is the combination of all these laws. Yeah, basically. So the first law is Boyle's law. And basically, if the volume decreases and the pressure increases, and this is a inverse relationship. For Charles's law, if the temperature increases and the volume increases as well, this is a direct relationship. And for Gay-Lussac's law, what does that mean? As the pressure increases, the temperature increases as well, and this is also a direct relationship. And here you can see, I didn't really need to explain this part because I got this question correct. I plugged in the equation and I got this answer. You want me to write down the equation for you? Okay. For 1C, I will be talking about standard temperature and pressure. I left this one blank because I didn't understand it either, but the answer is C because the volume stays the same even if the gases are different. And SCP is 1 mole equals 22.4 liters.
Yay.
For learning target 1B, I will be talking about Celsius and Kelvin. Celsius is the freezing point of water. You cannot use Celsius in the combined gas law because the numbers are not scaled proportionately, and to convert Celsius to Kelvin, you just add 273. And for Kelvin, the scale goes up to absolute 0, and you can use Kelvin in the combined gas law because the numbers are scaled proportionately, and to convert Kelvin to Celsius, you just subtract 273. For my last learning target, 1E, I will be talking about Pervner. So basically, all collisions between atoms or molecules are perfectly elastic, and that means that no kinetic energy is lost throughout this process. There are no intermolecular attractive forces, and here I decided to put 2 problems, one showing my understanding of how to plug in the equation, and the other one is knowing what the ideal gas solid, what it really is. So here I got this one wrong because I characterized it. I got confused because I put the ideal gas law relates what 4 properties of gas together, and I put the gas constant, volume, temperature, and pressure. But it's really characterized by absolute pressure, volume, temperature, and the number of moles of gas. And the ideal gas constant R can take on different values depending on what units it